first, maybe let's do a comparison chart between India and US on all agriculture produce. So do, I'll maybe place area in my rows. So generally, as a thumb rule, what I do is I place categorical data in the rows place, and I place continuous data in the column section. That's what I do. You can follow your own rules. You can play along with it. You can play with the data and do that. But I generally put categorical data in the rows area. So in the rows, I have area, and you see I have a table of all the countries here. Okay. You see ABC here. This is like a placeholder. Since a table cannot have only one column, so Tableau is giving you a placeholder so that you can have any other measure here. Okay, so if I want a just a simple table here, for example, if I want prices, so it will give me the graph for that. Okay, this is not my goal for now. I'll remove this. My goal is to get something here in this area so that I can compare India and US produce, prices of produce between India and US. Okay, so now I have area in here. Then I can place prices in my columns. Okay, and I have prices and places here. But as I said, I just want it for India and US, so I'll use filters. So what I'm going to do is I'll put area under filter shelf here. Once I do that, it will give me a drop down, and I can just unselect everything by clicking all, and then I can look for India here. Click on India. Then I can look for United States here. Here, click on that, and then I can hit OK. Now you see the visual has changed. I only see India and US and area. Okay, I have taken area, not. Okay, yeah. So my area is India and US, and these are the prices for all data. Okay. For example, if I want to have prices only for one particular product, for example, if I just want to have it for banana, okay, banana, comparison of bananas produced between India and US. So this is one visual that I have created. I can create another visual, but I want to create it in a different sheet, because you see I have sheet 1 here. So for one visual, I generally use only one sheet. So for one visual, one sheet. So I can name this sheet maybe at India, US, India, US, all produce. Okay. This is my, so once I name it here, it also renames itself here. Okay. Then, for example, I say I want another visual to have a comparison between India, US in banana. So what I will do is I will add one more sheet. So here you see these are the tabs for worksheet, tab for dashboard, tab for story. We'll not deal with story now. We will only deal with worksheet and dashboard. So this was a worksheet, and I want another worksheet now. So sheet 2, and I want to name it as India, US, banana. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I want to make a comparison between India and US, between banana production. So, and if I want to only do it for a range of year 2010 to 2024, so I can do that too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place area in the rows. Again, I want to place price. If I want to know the price of India and US in terms of banana produce, and then again filter. For filter, I want only India and US. India. US. Okay. And then I want product as banana. What was the name of the product? Item. Okay, it was item. So I'll place item in the filter and I'll search for banana here. Okay. There are different varieties of bananas, you see, but I'm just looking for banana, normal banana. So I'm clicking on banana using the filter here, and this is a comparison between India and India and USA's banana prices since the data was from like very long back. But if I just want it for specific period, for example, I want to only compare between 2010, then from 2010, I'll just want it here, 2010 to 24. I just want this range, for example. Okay. Filter. Whenever you want to filter out your data, so you have a range of years here. Okay. You see, in your year, you have from I think 1993 is also there, 91 is there. It's from 1990 to 2024. So you have a lot of year values here. But if you want to filter out only the values between 2010 and 2024, that's filtering. That's filtering. So again, what you will do is you will do filter. You will use filter. What I'm going to do is I want to place the year code. I'll better use year code because it's cleaned up. So year code in my filter. Okay. And then from here, I can scroll down and choose my years. So I can choose 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and then hit OK. And you see the visual has changed. Okay. And if I want year code in my rows too, so that I can see the years, this is how. Okay.